Hello and welcome to this latest Monaco property profile brought to you by monacoestate.com. And today we're looking at a property in the Chateau Amiral building in the sought-after district of Larvotto. And Larvotto is near the beaches and well known for great sea views. And when I show you the view from the terrace of this apartment, I think you'll see what I mean. That's the outlook from the terrace. As you can see, very close to the beach, great sea views, very handy for all the other central features of restaurants and nightlife and shops and all the rest of it. So it's a great place in which to be based in the sunny part of Monaco. As you can see, Larvotto is towards the right-hand end of the Principality, and it's home to just 5% of the population. So just over 2,000 people live here. And that means that not only is it very sought after, but also the prices tend to be amongst the highest in Monaco, and we tend to see the fewest properties become available there. So often it's just perhaps a handful each year. So this is quite a rare beast that we're showing you today. And as you can see, there's a double living area which opens straight out onto that terrace with the sea views. You can see it's been very nicely done up with nice wooden flooring, uplighting, and storage for your artworks and sculptures and books. Give another view from further back, you can see a really nice central fireplace feature, ideal for those winter months. And it's an L-shaped living dining area. So you can also see here the kitchen fittings and storage area there, leading into the dining area, which itself also opens onto that terrace. So in terms of facts and figures, it's 140 square meter of living space, about 1,500 square feet. You've got that double-sized living dining area opening onto the terrace with those fantastic views. There's also a master bedroom with its own dressing area and ensuite bathroom. There's a second double bedroom and a third bedroom, access to a second bathroom and a guest toilet. And if you've ever tried parking in Monaco, you'll know how challenging that is. So you'll be pleased to learn that this apartment has its own dedicated parking space. There's also a cellar where you can keep your wine collection in the right condition. Looking at the floor plan, to the left-hand end, you'll see the terrace area where you could obviously put some dining facilities. You've then got the main living dining area and kitchen space, that central fireplace feature with storage either side. To the right-hand end there, you'll see the main master bedroom suite, nice and quiet, tucked away towards the back there, with the dressing area opening into the ensuite. You've then got another double bedroom, which itself has access to a dedicated bathroom. Then you've got that third bedroom or guest bedroom. Personally, I would see that as an ideal study so that this can become a place where you can live, you can work, or you can just have it as a fantastic holiday home. And there's plenty of storage areas, including in the entranceway there as well. And as you can see, the study also opens onto the wraparound terrace, so you can step out there when you need a break from working. An ideally designed unit for living and working. You can see some of that extra storage in the entranceway that we talked about there. And that's the ensuite bathroom as part of the master suite at the far right-hand end of the property. In terms of the Larvotto lifestyle, it is noted for being close to the beach. You're literally 2 minutes away from your front door here. You're right in there where all the restaurants are, the casinos and the other nightlife. You've got those fantastic views. But of course, the other side of that argument is that that's why these are very sought after. Typically, the prices in Larvotto average 65,500 euros per square meter. This one is actually slightly below that, as I'll show you in a moment. But because there are relatively few people living here, there are relatively few properties. And so we tend to only see a handful of them each year. And because so many people want to be close to the beach, the restaurants, the nightlife, and so on, this part of Larvotto can get a little bit noisy in the summer. And if you're looking for a quiet, calm, peaceful place, there are other parts of the Principality, for example, Fontbay, which might appeal to you more. So it's all about knowing what you're looking for in terms of your Monaco lifestyle and seeing whether or not this particular apartment will do it for you. The investment required to own this apartment is 7.95 million euros, which is about 15% below that average figure that I just shared with you. But obviously, you've got to come and see it for yourself. See whether you think this could be your dream home in Monaco. Will it fit with your lifestyle? And if you come over, not only can we obviously show you around the apartment, but our team can help you with everything else to do with bank accounts, mortgages if you need them, and gaining residency so you can live here all year round. All you need to do now is just express your interest with an email to homes@monacoestate.com, or if you're watching this on the website, just fill in the inquiry form at monacoestate.com, and we'll be in touch to start a conversation.